Hello, fellow designers and crafters. I'm thrilled to present to you part 3 of our series on creating a 3D layered mandala. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of exporting the mandala we designed in part 2 into various file formats. These formats include SVG, DXF, AI, EPS, and PDF, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of cutting machines such as Cricut, Silhouette, Glowforge, and other laser machines. By covering multiple formats, I aim to empower you to bring your mandala creations to life using the cutting machine of your choice. So, let's dive right in and explore the exporting process together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some love by liking this video. Now, let's get crafting. As you can see, I duplicated the design and named one file Decorative Mandala Spread Layers and the other Stacked Layers. The Stacked Layers file is suitable for Cricut, Silhouette, and similar machines, while the Spread Layers file is intended for laser machines such as Glowforge. I saved the design in AI format using Illustrator 10 to ensure compatibility with multiple software and older versions. In addition to saving the mandala design in AI format, I proceed to save it in PDF format as well. Saving it as a PDF ensures compatibility with a wide range of software and platforms, making it easy to share and print the design. Furthermore, I also save a version of the design in EPS format, specifically in version 10. EPS, Encapsulated PostScript, format is widely supported and can be used with various graphic design applications and printing workflows. By saving the design in both PDF and EPS formats, I provide versatility and accessibility to users who may require different file types for their specific needs. For the popular SVG format, I use SVG 1.1. I convert the text to outlines, apply presentation attributes, and set the decimal places to 3. The most popular format used widely for cutting machines and web applications. For the DXF format, which is commonly used with Silhouette and some laser machines, I use the 2010 to 2012 version as the setting. Additionally, I export the mandala design as JPG and PNG formats, ensuring high-resolution quality at 300 pixels per inch, PPI. By exporting in these image formats, users can easily incorporate the mandala into various digital projects, such as website designs, social media graphics, or printing purposes. The high-resolution setting guarantees sharp and clear details, making the mandala visually appealing in both digital and print mediums. For laser machines like Glowforge, I open the Spread Layers version and proceed to spread the layers as indicated. This step is necessary because laser users typically cut the design from a single sheet of plywood or MDF and need the elements to be spread out across the material. Before spreading the layers, let's export each layer as a transparent PNG. To do this, select all the layers and ensure they have a black fill and no stroke. Then, go to the Windows menu and choose Asset Export. In the Asset Export window, drag all the layers, and you should see all 5 layers listed there. In the Export Setting window, where it says Scale, select Resolution and set it to 300 ppi. Choose PNG as the format. Once you are ready, click on Export and select the folder where you want the exported files to be saved. As you can see, all the individual layers have been successfully exported as high-quality transparent PNG files. To spread the layers more precisely instead of dragging them, I prefer using a more exact method. By selecting a layer and pressing Enter, you can move that layer a specific distance in either the horizontal or vertical position. For example, if your project is 8 inches wide, you can enter 8 for the horizontal position and 0 for the vertical position to align it exactly at the edge. However, to avoid the laser passing over the same edge twice during cutting, you leave a small space between the layers. You can adjust this spacing by pressing the up and down arrow keys. Repeat these steps for all the layers until you have them nicely spread out. After that, you can use the Artboard tool to make the artboard larger so that it fits all the layers accordingly. I have saved some colors as swatches that I found on the Glowforge forum. As per my understanding, the order in which each layer is cut is determined by its color. I prefer arranging them in that specific order. Black is cut first, blue second, and so on. Additionally, in Glowforge, if all the layers have same colors, the software automatically groups them, making it harder for crafters to manipulate and hide specific layers. However, you can use any colors, as long as each layer is different. This will simplify things for certain laser machines and software. I am creating a new folder called Color Combination Ideas. In this folder I will include 3D renders and color suggestions to provide customers with ideas on how they can color the 3D layered mandala. These ideas will be further explored in the upcoming videos, specifically parts 4 and 5, which are related to 3D renders.